In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your PayPal cannot withdraw cash. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is log in into your PayPal and check for any alerts. You want to also resolve any limitations or pending actions. Also, simply go ahead and verify your identity. Go to settings, account settings, and then verify your identity and confirm your identity and submit required documents. The other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and confirm your bank account. Make sure that your bank account is linked and confirmed, and also verify your account number and details. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and ensure that you have a sufficient available balance to withdraw, and keep in mind pending payments may not be withdrawable. The other thing you want to do is review your withdrawal requirements. Withdrawals must go to a bank account in your name. Make sure that your account is in good standing and no restrictions. Also, you might need to simply go ahead and check if recent payments may be on hold. If you're not using the latest version of the application or browser, simply go ahead and update it. And if nothing works, simply contact their support team at paypal.com/US/smart help.